Fresco S multi-viewer system. Fresco multi-viewer is created by Dayang, based on embedded platform, new generation multi-viewer product. Fresco S is mainly focused on broadcast industry. Fresco S relies on its superb image quality, flexible layout, accurate signal monitoring and alarm, ultra-silent, high-steady design. Suitable for master control room, broadcast control room, studio, mobile control room, and other centralized monitoring occasion. Besides broadcast industry, Fresco focuses on traffic, public security, Army Command Center, government video conference, and project monitoring system. It's very suitable for monitoring and early warning, direct and control, and urgent handling. Fresco uses one rack unit chassis. The length is 650 mm. Modularized and scalable design. One chassis can contain 4 interconnected I/O modules. Every modules achieve high-speed interconnection via motherboard. Built-in item, dual-core processor, dual power supply modules, and hot swappable, and cable tunnel. Ultra-silent design and excellent heat dissipation ensure 7 days, 24 hours steady run. Fresco adopts high-density design with one IU chassis. There are 4 I/O modules. Each module contains 4 BNC inputs. They are auto-sensing for 3G SDI, HDI SDI, SD SDI, and CVBS. 1 BNC output, 1 HDMI output and input, and analog audio AES EBU LTC GPIO interface. On the fixed part, there are Ethernet port, RS422 interface, phase lock, and audio monitoring interface, and 2 power supply interfaces on the left and the right end. Fresco uses modularized design. You can use 1 to 4 modules according to your requirement. Can provide 5 inputs, 10 inputs, 15 inputs, 20 inputs for different scale multi-viewer. Convenient for future extension. Maybe 20 inputs are not enough for you. You can absolutely cascade 2 Fresco servers together. That means you can use 1 control terminal to control 2 cascaded Fresco servers. If you use HDMI cascade, you have 32 BNC input coupled with 4 HDMI inputs, or 28 BNC input coupled with 8 HDMI input by use of SDI cascade. The software is an indispensable part in such product. We have software of control terminal and Fresco server. The software of Fresco server, running on embedded Linux OS. The software of remote control client could be installed in any workstation in LAN. We have remote control client software called SCI Management. Users can use it to design layout, set signal source, connect and control Fresco server, and set other parameters. It's very easy to use and powerful, so that make your workflow more convenient, fast, and simple. Support SNMP monitoring provides intact MIB library to third-party monitoring system. Support logical combination of screens. Logical screen namely is combining multiple screens together so that look like the whole big screen. In customer's view, the contents displayed on multiple physical screens may be logical relevance. These related physical screens displayed by defined layout are considered as logically related. These logically related physical screens can be seen as big screens composed of multiple screens, and this big screen is defined as a logical screen. Therefore, display terminals are 4 screens, which can be assigned to 1 to 4 grouped logical screens with different resolution, thereby achieve various display effects. Fresco supports rich logical combination of screens, 11 in all. Users can choose one of them according to their practical use before editing layouts. Signal full compatible. Signal sources support BNC, auto-sensing for 3G SDI, HD SDI, and CVBS, and HDMI. Input video standard include following. Output video standard include HDMI and BNC. Rich display element, 4K display, picture spanning. Audio meter, 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratio. Up/down conversion. Image. Safe box. Probing and alarm. Alarm label. Text. Multiple time zones. Picture-in-picture. Clock and date. Countdown time. Metadata label. Oscilloscope. Static and dynamic UMD. PC output. Untally. Flexibility. Any source, support any types of signal sources. Any position, support any inputs displayed in any location on 4 joint screens. Any size, support any scaling of display elements. Any repetition, support any numbers of repetitions of video windows. Any format. Video standard of inputs support 1080p 50, 59.94 60, 1080i 50, 59.94 60, 720p 50, 59.94 and 60, PAL and NTSC. Any span. Support multiple rooms and areas monitoring for signals, thereby satisfy requirements of different staff positions and emphasis. Support one-key layout switching. F1 to F10 on the keyboard are respectively corresponding to 10 precise saved in Fresco server. 4K ultra-clear output. Joint screens as an ultra-clear background in Full View Studio. The max output resolution can achieve 3840 multiplied 2160. Also support static, high-definition pictures.
Thank you for watching.